Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Today we are gonna unbox and try out the new Disney Villains Wet n Wild PR box. This was kindly sent to me in PR. It has the Disney Queens, the evil queens there. This is a really pretty PR box. You do get a mirror right there as well, and then this little flap opens and you get the first case there full of a eyeshadow, mascara, a lip scrub, lip glosses, eyeliner, and then when I take off this next section, we're getting quite a bit of blushes and highlighters. Everything is in cream form. There's this very cool sponge right here. It's sponge all the way around, and then right here it has like that glitter, which the glitter doesn't come off, but the silicone part. This is a really nice magnifying mirror, and I already used the setting spray, and I'll show you the mister here in a second. We'll take each product one by one. Obviously I won't be able to use every single product, but for sure we can use the lippies, the cheek products, the eye products. Definitely going to create a look for you guys. Now, I could not find the PR box on Ulta or the Wet n Wild website. Everything in this box is available for individual purchase, and it is less than $13 each item. I would imagine that when this box goes up for sale, it's likely going to be $80, $75, $80. That's usually what the Wet n Wild PR boxes cost. But there are some other items in this collection that are not in this PR box, including one really cool looking eyeshadow palette. So check out the Wet n Wild website. That's where I looked before I started this video, and you can see for yourself all of the cool goodies in the Disney Villains collection. But let's get started with walking our way through this PR box. If you guys want to see how all this makeup is going to perform, keep on watching. Okay, so since I used this already, this is the mister. Make sure you want to shake it up really well. There's a little ball in here. This does have a scent to it, and it kind of looks like it has shimmer, but I didn't notice anything. The mister on this, kind of aggressive. It's not the finest mist, but it does smell really nice. So if you don't mind fragrance in your setting spray, then you should be good with that one. If you do, maybe that's not something you're going to want to check out. I do have almost a full face of Wet n Wild going on. I had some issues, and I'm still seeing it with my bronzer. I actually had to throw it away. It was one of those Wet n Wild stick bronzers. And then I kind of went over it a little bit with the powder bronzer, but I don't know. It's looking a little patchy up there. Hopefully it'll kind of, remedy itself out. But I'm definitely going to use the eyeshadow palette. Let's try, these are plumping lip glosses. One right here, a red one, and a blue one. Wait, are these the plumping? Yeah, plumping lip glosses. So let's try them both. I'm going to put this red pink one on first. That's cool. Does have a scent, kind of smells like strawberry. I'm going to wear all black today with pink shoes. So I think this one is going to be perfect. Oh, I like that. That feels good. It feels like it's a good formula. I'm going to put the blue one. I'm going to put this just on the back of my hand. Oh, it's blue. I would think it would be like kind of like it's changing colors, but no. This could be like a nice contrast to maybe a red lippy that has some blue in it. I could see this working, but yeah, these are the plumping lip glosses. They are tingling already, and there's the blue one where I wipe this one off. Let's see. Let's go now to, oh, and you know what I didn't do? Let's look at that right now. This is the cheek scrub. I mean, not the cheek scrub, the lip mask and lip scrub. So here is the lip mask. Oh, it smells nice. I'm just putting, you can't really see it, but it's there. Has like the little granules in there. And then this is the lip mask part. And again, it's clear. Nothing's going to come out. So if you're looking for an item like this, this could be nice. Although don't really know how exfoliating it would be. I think the ones that come individual, like in their own little pot, a little scrub like that or a lip mask like that, I think those are better quality than what you're getting in here. I want to jump now to the cheek products, and we're going to swatch those first, and then I'll decide which one is going to go on my cheeks. Okay, so here's what one of the cheek products looks like. And here it is. Let's put this. Ooh, very nice. You wouldn't think it's black. And then this is what it looks like. We've seen a blush like this before from Wet n Wild, although I think last time it was in a little compact. This is a highlighter right there. And if you're wondering what the background noise is, sister got into the blue lip gloss, the little dangling piece from the cap, so she's playing with that up here. This is another blush right here. This blush is called Wretched. Comes like that. There's several different shades of, but this is the one that's in the PR box. So you can see that's a little more red, pink from the black blush, and then here is the highlighter. I think I'm gonna use the black blush, this one right here. Sister, you're making too much noise. Let's go ahead and put this on. So using a little Rare Beauty blush brush. Whoa, okay, we're going in. Now I do have a light dusting of setting powder. It is a Wet n Wild, the pink setting powder. Highly recommend you guys check that out. It is an awesome setting powder, especially for the under eye area. And everything that I'm using today will be linked in the description box. Okay, so the blush is on and it's definitely pigmented. This is the mirror that it comes with, and it has a little stand and it is slightly magnifying. So I think that looks good. The highlighter, I'm gonna try it, but this is not really my cup of tea. I'm not really into these types of highlighters anymore, like these shades. I just go more for something a little more traditional, but maybe if I just use a little bit of it, it'll be okay. I just at least want to try as many products as I can. I noticed there is a lipstick in here that I'll have to put on, try out for you guys. Yeah, this is okay. It actually kind of feels cooling. I'm gonna go over it with the blush brush. Okay, I think cheeks are done. Now we're gonna move into the eye products. Before we move into the eye products, I wanted to show you the sponge. And this is what I meant by the silicone part to the sponge. Let's see, is the camera gonna focus? Don't know if it's going to pick it up, but this is just the plain black part, and then this is the glitter part. So I don't really use sponges anymore when I'm applying my foundation and stuff. I mainly just stick to brushes. But let me show you guys. Let me get this open. These stickers on it are terrible, but here is the eyeshadow palette. Again, this is one of 2 eyeshadow palettes. This is the one that came in my PR box. And I think it'll work for me today since I'm going to wear all black and pink shoes. And I think I'm going to start right here with this pink shade. And I'm using a Refer 15 to start applying this shade. I've had good luck with eyeshadow palettes from Wet n Wild in the past. I feel like they do keep getting better. They don't put as many pressed glitters in their palettes the way they used to, which I appreciate. And for the price, you just can't beat a little Wet n Wild palette. I also think that Wet n Wild has a better formula than e.l.f., but I do still think that NYX has a better formula than both of them. I'm gonna kind of just wing this out just a little bit here. Okay, so as I'm doing this eye look, I'm noticing the blush is kind of disappearing. What do you guys think? Not a fan of these cream blushes. To be honest, guys, I haven't really been reaching for like cream products at all. It's just been powders, just because they hold up better on my skin. But yeah, I'm already seeing like a little patchiness in there. And we just got started. I haven't even left the house. So yeah, that's going to be exciting. The next shade I'm going to go in with is going to be this shade right here, and then I'm going to go into this shade. Using my Rephr 13 brush to apply directly into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with that darker shade, focus it right out here. The other palette had a green and blue in it. It looked really cute, but I'm still happy with this one. This is definitely more of a warmer tone palette. That is some good definition there. Good pigment. All right, now for the lower lash line, we have purple, we have this blue shimmer, we also have this reddish, brownish shimmer. Definitely don't want to do black. The blue could be fun. Let's try the blue on the lower lash line. Use a Rephr 03, and I did spray it with the setting spray that came in the collection. All right, now let's do something for the inner corner. I realize I haven't done anything on the lid yet, but we'll get there. And I think that this shade would complement both the upper and lower really well. Put that right in here. Okay, now let's pick a shade for the lid. We have some golds in here. I don't know about this one, not too sold on this one. There are no pressed glitters. I think I am gonna go with this shade right here. Using a damp Morphe brush to apply, and I think that was a good choice because it's providing some nice contrast between the pink and this gold shade. Okay, so next I want to show you the eyeliners that came in this collection. Don't think I will be using them. One is a purple liquid liner. I mean, they look really pretty. It's just not something I wear. And then this other one looks really nice. It's like a dark blue-green. So those are really cool. Just won't be using those today. And then there's also a colored mascara. This one looks like it's a purplish. Will not be using this one today. These just aren't really things that I use regularly, although I could see myself using the blue eyeliner in the future. Now, I think there wasn't like an eyelash curler or anything. The last thing I need to share with you is the lipstick. So I will go off camera to take care of the finishing touches. Very concerned about this cheek situation because it's not looking good at all. I might have to do some powder on top of it. Cheeks, yes, the blush is a definite no for me. But let me take care of these finishing touches. I'll be right back to show you this completed look with Disney Villains and Wet n Wild. Okay, guys, so here is the completed look using the Disney Villains and Wet n Wild PR box. I did change into the lippy. It is this one right here. Look at that color. You wouldn't think that this shade that's on my lips is what's in the bullet, but here we are. This smells and tastes exactly like cinnamon. And I still feel a tingling sensation. I don't know if it's from this or it was from the gloss that I had on, but just FYI, there's quite a few scents in this collection. I did apply the NYX Buttermelt Blush to my cheeks, no highlighter. I think it looks a lot better that way. Overall, guys, let me pick up this PR box here. Overall, I think it's a cute collection. I like these collections. I've always liked the Wet n Wild box collections, but there's a lot of things in here that I'm just not going to get use out of. The colored mascara, the blue lip gloss. I can definitely see myself using this lipstick and the lip gloss that I had on. Definitely use the mirror. The eyeshadow palette, I think, is a winner. I think it looks really nice. Some of the eyeliners I will not use. Also, the colored mascara. Not really into colored mascara. And the cheek products for me, don't seem like something that is meshing well with my skin. I do think the setting spray is cute. It is scented, and it's kind of an aggressive mister. So overall, I'd say this box is about half and half. If you're a collector of the Wet n Wild PR boxes or Disney villains, this is likely something that you're going to want to have in your stash. It's cute. I like the design of the PR box, and I like the items they included. And, it's just whether gonna be, whether you wanna pick this up or not. For me personally, if I saw this out in the store and I did not have a YouTube channel, I would probably not purchase anything. Or maybe I would just get the eyeshadow palette to try it out. But, it's cute for Halloween and stuff. And some of the products are good, some of them just depending on personal taste. Let me know your thoughts. Sound off in the comments down below. Are you going to be getting Disney villains? Let me know in the comments. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night, wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water. I'll see y'all very soon. Bye.